Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. If you're traveling in the western areas of the UP, know that roads are slippery out there as lake effect snow continues along the west wind belts. The central counties look good, a little chilly and gusty, and then some light lake effect snow increases across the northeastern areas near Lake Superior today. But this is how it looks along College Avenue. Snow covered roads out there, some slippery spots, and potentially some blowing snow over towards the west end. So winter weather advisories continuing for Ontonagon and northern Houghton counties through tomorrow morning, and then Alger County will start to get in on these alerts as well this afternoon, go through tomorrow afternoon as the lake effect snow begins to shift again. So we talked about having several bouts of lake effect snow each and every day this week, and we are still on track with that. There's a small disturbance moving out of the region. We'll see an increase of that lake effect snow behind it as those winds are more oriented west to east this morning, and the radar's not picking up on that lake effect snow on the west end at this moment. However, it increases throughout the day along those west wind belts. So Ontonagon, northern Houghton, and Keweenaw counties will still have this lake effect snow, which, by the way, I believe Ontonagon counties has closed for today, school district. As far as the northeast, we continue with some lake effect snow this afternoon near Lake Superior in eastern Alger County and northern Luce County. Otherwise, to the south, not a whole lot happening there. Winds shift, becoming more northwesterly tomorrow, and those lake effect bands will also shift as well. So the Keweenaw, the west end, and the northeast still going to have that lake effect snow tomorrow. And then on Friday, we have a more northerly wind that forms, and we kind of have more of this unorganized lake effect snow that forms near Lake Superior across the UP. So for our northern areas throughout the day on Friday. On this weekend, as we head into Saturday, high pressure moves in, and so we'll start to see that lake effect taper off. And as of right now, the weekend looks drier in regards to snowfall. As far as additional snowfall amounts through tomorrow morning, easily 3 to 6 inches of snow for the west and the eastern areas. I'm talking about right near the shoreline of Lake Superior in Alger and Luce counties. But some of the higher elevation spots could likely exceed that. As far as highs today, single numbers in the interior west and low teens across the east end and along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. Single numbers below zero for our lows tonight, and then most of the UP tapping into the teens tomorrow, though the ranges more of the low to mid teens and a few upper teens along Lake Michigan towards the east end. Teens for highs on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Sunday, still some upper teens. On Monday, we're looking at high temperatures rebounding to more seasonal ranges, as our highs for the most part on Monday will be in the upper 20s. And then the pattern brings back 30s with some warmer air for the rest of next week.
Today's Pets Waiting for